It's happening right now, and sometimes it can be a huge challenge figuring out what insurance coverage you need and, more importantly, how much you can afford. Licensed insurance agent Kelly Parton of Health Markets Insurance is happy to help guide you through the thicket of all of this information. Good morning, Kelly. Thanks for joining us today.
Good morning, Amanda.
You know, we've been talking about Medicare open enrollment. Now it's time for what we call Obamacare open enrollment. When is that happening? When does that start?
That starts November 1st. So on Monday, people can start enrolling in new plans for next year, starting January 1st.
Okay, so are there any changes in the Toledo market in regards to networks or anything they need to know about?
Well, there's a little piece in the paper yesterday about ProMedica or Paramount and St. Luke's. So there's some disruption. So a lot of people are going to be losing. If they need St. Luke's, they may have to look for other plans. So yeah, that's we're here to help with that. Make that transition as easy as possible.
So if folks who have Paramount and use St. Luke's, they won't be able to, is that what you mean?
That's what I've read. They're ending their relationship, and then whatever's going on is above my pay grade, but Paramount is, from what we've read, is no longer going to be accepted by St. Luke's. So if you need that service, you will probably have to change plans.
Gotcha. Okay. So let's talk about subsidies. Have they changed from last year to this year?
A lot. They've actually increased to help people out. So higher income brackets can get a discount on their health insurance. I don't know the limits anymore, so I haven't seen too many people that are not getting a subsidy. So if you want to take a look at that, we're here to help with that.
What exactly does that mean, subsidy?
So a subsidy is they call it a tax credit, or what we call a discount. So let's say your income is $30,000 a year and you're single, and the retail value of your plan is maybe $300. You might get a subsidy of $200 a month, which means you'll get a discount. So you would pay $100 a month for that plan.
And so folks can give you a call, schedule an appointment, come in, and you can go over all of that, see exactly what options are available for each specific individual.
Of course, yes. That's what we like to do. Is everybody's different. Like we said with Medicare, one thing can change things. I want to make sure that whatever plan you pick, your doctor's in network, your medications are covered, and it's a services you want.
And that's still going on right now, correct? Medicare open enrollment?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That goes until December 7th. And then actually health insurance open enrollment goes until January 15th. So little change on the dates now. So if you want a plan effective for January 1st, you must be enrolled by December 15th.
Okay.
And that until January 15th, you would have a February 1st effective date.
Okay. All right. So now's the time to really start thinking about what you need for next year. And maybe your needs have changed. Maybe your family situation has changed, your employment situation. So now is the time to gather all of those, fun papers together and go see Kelly.
Yeah, please gather as much as you can. We'll figure it out if you don't have everything. But the more information we have, the better to help you out.
What do you really want people to know going into this open enrollment season this year?
I think people are getting more used to the setup on how health insurance works. Realize expectations. Nothing is perfect. That's the one thing, especially if somebody's coming from a group plan to an individual plan. It's going to be you're going to have a higher max out of pocket. You're going to have a smaller network. So just expectations, please don't have as high as they used to be.
Yeah, coverage isn't exactly, what, as you mentioned, not what it used to be, what we might have enjoyed in the past. But we want to make sure that people are covered, though, because you just don't know when something's going to happen.
And that's the thing we talk about is ask yourself, why do you want insurance? Why do you have it? I always ask that question to my clients is, why do you want it? And let's figure out the real reason why. It's not just if it's for a doctor's visit, you don't need insurance for that. You can pay cash. We're going to talk about the catastrophic things. What does life look like if that happens to you?
Mm-hmm. And so you'll find the plan that best suits you. All you got to do is give Kelly a call there, have the number on your screen, and give him a call, set up an appointment, and it's free. It's for you to go in and have a meeting with him. So you really have nothing to lose, right, Kelly?
It always is, yes. It's always free, and we help people with, we will help people with, with pension systems. If we can't enroll them, that's fine. We'll help you pick a plan in your group. We don't charge services. We're just here to help out.
Wonderful. Kelly, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We appreciate it.
Thanks for having me, Amanda.
Yep, take care.